Peter Nyamoti, Principal St. Luke's Kanunda, and I'm happy to present 2024 results for the Form 4s who did their KCSE. Up to now, we have downloaded about 90, and our candidature was 150. So our first grade was B+. We have 4, 2 girls and 2 boys. B, grade B, we have 11, 5 boys, 6 grade B-, we have 16, 10 boys and 6 girls. C+, we have 24, 14 boys and 10 girls. Up to there, 55 have qualified to university. Then we have 26 C, grade C, 16 boys and 10 girls. C-, we have 7, 4 boys and 3 girls. D+, we have 3, 2 boys and 1 girl. And that is the last grade that we have seen. So that is 100% performance. Because wastage grade starts from D- and below. So far up to now, we don't have any. We are on downloading, and we expect that we'll do more because our repeaters were towards the last index numbers. Our results for the year 2023, we had 29 who went to university, and out of 29, 19 were boys and 10 were girls. So our school, we just compete both girls and boys, so we don't leave any gender out. So our focus is that we need to advise our Form 2, Form 3, and the current Form 4s that because of God and the way our school is a Catholic-sponsored school, and you know, every morning when we have assembly, we have to remember our God. We just say prayer, we have a fast, and then a song. I know that's why we did well, because we know that God is the provider of everything. So, apart from that, we utilized our time for remedials. Teachers could come in the morning, where maybe a teacher missed the lesson because of one reason or the other, they could compensate because of that time for remedial. So that is why we did well, and we expect that those who are in Form 4 this year, you will surpass the 55 who have gone to university. So our prayer is that you pass 100%. I know you are about 120, and all of you, I pray that you join university, all of you.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Let's meet maybe tomorrow and we share more.
Principal.
My name is Fanel Mbaka Ongori.
Stay still.
Tulikali exam so far. Tukakuwa kawa tumetense. So far tumepita. Nilikuwa na B+. Na mwalimu wetu namshukuru sana, Mr. Principal Nyamoti.
B+ of which point? How many points?
Points nazo labda ni 60. 73. Sikuwa na poa. Ya, meno zimenisumbua kutoka nikae mdogo, so nataka kukuwa dentist, at least nisaidie watu.
Madam Veni Mora Munga,
a teacher of English and Literature. I'm wowed first by the results that we've received. First and foremost, I want to give glory and honor to God. Our students said, Mazeni nani? Ni God. Yeah? We owe it to God. Secondly, I want to thank our principal for the good leadership that he gave, for the team that he led, our teachers and our students, because it takes all those stakeholders to realize the results. In a very special way, I also want to thank the teachers who woke up very early in the morning, devoted themselves to make it that we've realized the results. In a very special way, I want also to congratulate these beautiful faces. Yes, it was not easy. Performance and discipline is intertwined, and I want to believe that because of the discipline of these very candidates you are seeing, that's why they are celebrating. I also want to thank our parents in absentia, because without them, we would have also not been here, this being a day school. They gave funds, they supported the children, they gave them an enabling environment from their respective homes. That's why we are here. Fast forward, we want to pray God that it is not here that we want to stop, but we want to go far. And for the media, may God bless you so much.
I'm Teresa, teacher of chemistry. I want to thank God for this far. We thank God for the results. We own the result, it is ours, and we really appreciate. Thank you, Mr. Principal, our teachers, and our candidates. Thank you, the media, for coming, and may God bless you.